Hi beauties, Karen here. Today I have this beautiful kind of, it's got gold and orange, a little bit of pink, and then some purples. It is the 4th of July in the U.S. We are celebrating Independence Day, so to me this kind of reminds me of fireworks. So I'm going to see some fireworks tonight, so this is going to be my look. If you would like to see how I did it, then keep watching. Alright, I switched up my primer. Usually I use the e.l.f. and I had picked this up from ULTA a few weeks ago. This is Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow base, and that's what I used as my primer. And then for my base, I used my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. And then I just placed a simple piece of masking tape on an angle, and I tried to match up with the other angle. It's easier when you do two eyes at the same time, but yeah, so that's what I did. Most of my colors are going to come from my Coastal Scents 120 palette 4. And then I also have a 1 ULTA color. As soon as I get this palette open, I'm going to be using both plates in the palette. And I'm going to be using my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pick up a combination of this kind of goldenrod color and this yellow gold right there. And I'm just going to pop that on the first third of the lid. Like that. I'm going to pick up my e.l.f. C brush, and I'm going to pick up some of this orange right here. I wasn't sure if I was going to do red, white, and blue. I tried a red, white, and blue look yesterday, and it looked awesome, but I decided that I'd do something more along the lines of fireworks tonight. I didn't want to go all matchy-matchy. I'm going to take what's left on this, the brush that I used for the yellow, and I'm just going to use that to blend the two colors together. And then I'm going to pick up my other e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to pick up some of this raspberry color right on the bottom. And I'm going to blend that into the orange. And then again, I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the yellow, and I'm just going to pick up the brush that I used for the orange and just blend those two colors together. I'm going to take my e.l.f. contouring brush, I believe that's what, yep, contour brush, and I'm going to pick up some of this dark plum right here. I'm hoping the camera picks that up. And I'm going to run that right along the edge of the tape. I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to pick up some of this purple right here. And I'm going to blend that plum out. Super excited. 4th of July is my favorite holiday. I love fireworks. So, yeah. I'm going to take my other e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to pick up just a little bit of this lighter raspberry color right above the dark, right above one of the dark plums in here. And I'm going to use that right above that purple. I'm going to take my contour brush again, a little bit more of that dark plum, then I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend everything out. I'm going to grab the other plate. And I'm going to pick up that same contour brush, and I'm going to pick up some of this very, very dark plum right there. And I'm going to go right over that edge right by the tape and kind of up into the crease. And just gently blend everything together. And that's just going to deepen that crease. I'm going to take, this is actually a lip lining brush, but I'm going to use it right around the inner tear duct. I'm going to pick up some of this white right here. My cat was playing on my camera table where I had my brushes to pull some cat hair off my brush. Oh well, gotta love them. I'm going to place that right around the inner tear duct like that. Oh, sorry, just one second. Forgot my eyeliner brush. I'm going to pick up some of my Essence eyeliner, and this is just a gel eyeliner. And I'm going to go right along the edge of the tape. And to me, this is the easiest way to create a wing. So if any of you ever have problems creating a wing, just use tape. Then I'm going to remove the tape. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild color icon in white. I'm going to line my waterline with it. I'm going to take my little concealer brush and just pick up a little bit of that white that I used around the inner tear duct, and I am going to set that white on my waterline. I'm going to take my other concealer brush, and I'm going to pick up some of that very dark plum that I used to deepen up the outer V, and I'm going to go right along, creating an angle. right along under the lower lash line. I'm going to take my angled defining eye brush and just smoke that out just a little tiny bit. I'm going to pick up my color icon again, my white eyelining pencil, and go right between the two of those lines. And pick up my small concealer brush and some more of that white. I'm going to go right over the top of that. And then I'm going to take my ULTA Ice Queen, and this is a glitter eyeshadow, and I'm going to pick up just a little tiny bit of that, and I'm going to go right over that white again, just to give that a little bit of shimmer. I'm going to go back into the first plate for my Coastal Scents palette, and I'm going to pick up some of this very, very light purple, just a little tiny bit, and that is going to be my highlight. I curl my lashes. And I'm going to put on a good coat of ULTA and Flash mascara in black. And that is the full and completed look. Please thumbs up this video, comment, subscribe. You can follow me on Google+, on Facebook, and on Instagram. And I will talk to you again soon. Bye now!